Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So we are going to do 2 yoga moves today, and we're going to do the Cobra, which is good for people who have back pain. So what you want to do is feet are together, and you want to lie down on the mat with your hands parallel to your shoulders, right? And then you just want to push yourself up and look up as high as you can, right? So this is the Cobra, and you can come back down to rest, and you can make a pillow with your hands and rest your cheek on your hands, right? Before you start, you can rest on the opposite cheek. Now we'll do the King Cobra. So your legs are about hip width apart. Again, hands parallel to your shoulders. And then you want to lift up as high as you can. And your hips can be up off of the mat. In the Cobra, your hips are on the mat. In the King Cobra, you can lift yourself as high as you can. And again, get a good stretch in your back. So I hope this was helpful to someone who may be suffering from back pain, and I love y'all. Later. Mwah.